So, did you know that it's possible to learn a language by just watching movies? Now, that's not true at all. Language learning can be aided by watching movies, but there is no way that you can learn an entire language solely by watching and listening to movies. Now, I wanted to mention the fact that there are many ways that you can make watching movies in a language a lot easier, especially if your aim is to learn languages by watching movies. There is an extension on Chrome, on Google Chrome, that allows you to watch movies without issue in a foreign language. Now, what do I mean without issue? Let's get right into it. This add-on that I'm going to be talking about today is called Language Learning with Netflix. Now, Language Learning with Netflix is exactly what it sounds like. It is an application which helps you learn a language by watching Netflix. Now, the entire premise of the app is that it is meant to make subtitles for things that may not have subtitles already in a foreign language, all right? So if there is a Chinese show or if there is a Greek show, it will put subtitles that may not be there already for you. And if they are already there, it will allow you to hover over certain icons and get the meaning of each and every word that shows up. I'll show you a few examples right here. Now, I'm just going to take you really quickly through the installation process. It's very, very simple. So all you gotta do is you have to go out. First off, you have to have a Google account. You have to have an account to use alongside Chrome. Once you have a Google account, you go over to the link, which I'm going to be leaving in the description below. You click on that link. It will send you over to the Google Store. In the Google Store, you can go ahead and download the add-on for Chrome. And after you download the application, you can use it. There's no extended setup time, nothing like that. It's download and use. It's very, very straightforward and to the point.
So I want to put it out there that because this is a Chrome extension, it is only usable on computer.
So I also want to add that this add-on, yes, it is very helpful, and yes, it does work very well, right? It helps you find translations for words which you may not be finding in your dictionary, and it's an instantaneous way of getting the answers that you want instead of having to go to an actual dictionary and having to look through it or having to go online and try to find different definitions. It automatically gives you the meaning that you want, which is very, very convenient if you're learning a language. Now, I want to add that this application works very, very well in conjunction with Anki, which is an app which I have mentioned in my previous videos. All right, in my previous video, actually. How would you use it with Anki exactly? Now, I want to mention that I am not sponsored, right? Before I start talking about Anki, I just want to mention that I really do appreciate this app, so I really just do want to help you guys out by mentioning to you the benefits of the app and how you can use it for your own benefit. But now that that's clear and out of the way, I just want to continue talking about Anki and how you can use it in conjunction with the add-on Language Learning with Netflix. Now, with Language Learning with Netflix, when you're watching a show, you are bound to come across words which you do not already know. This is very common, even in English shows. When you're watching a show in your native language even, it is very, very common to come across a word which they may say that might sound a little too, what would be the word to use here? A word that's a little bit too sophisticated. They might use sophisticated vocabulary, or they might be talking about a topic which you are not 100% educated on, so you may not know the terms. Now, when something like this happens, whether that be in your target language or in your native language, you're going to want to know what that word is. Now, with this add-on, you can find out what these words are, but once you do know what these words are, and once you have the definition and the word itself, what you can do is you can take these words and create flashcards with them on Anki. And you can make separate decks for different shows and different subdecks for different episodes. And you can go along and apply the different words that you have learned throughout your journey of watching movies, foreign movies, and apply that to your own learning through flashcards. So long story short, you can watch a lot of shows and take the vocabulary that you do not know, or the vocabulary that you want to know, or that you want to learn, and input it over onto Anki so that you can memorize it. That has been all. Thank you so much for watching this video. This has been Lanko. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.